Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best in beauty and skincare. Today, we're diving into the First Aid Beauty Hydrated Glow Kit. If you're looking to hydrate, exfoliate, and refresh your skin, especially as the winter months roll in, this could be the perfect solution. But does it live up to the promise? Let's find out. The First Aid Beauty Hydrated Glow Kit comes with 4 key products designed to give your skin a smoother, more hydrated look. It includes the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, Facial Radiance Pads, Ultra Repair Cream, and Pure Skin Face Cleanser. Each product is cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free, making it a solid choice for those with sensitive skin. The price tag on this kit is $90, and it promises a full skincare regimen that targets dryness, rough skin, and dullness. Starting with the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, this scrub features 10% AHA and combines both physical and chemical exfoliants to slough off dead skin and rough bumps. It's meant to smooth out those stubborn patches, like on your arms or legs, that can often get dry or bumpy. The texture is gritty enough to give a satisfying scrub, but not so harsh that it feels abrasive on sensitive skin. Personally, I found that it really helped improve the overall texture of my skin, leaving it smoother after just a few uses. However, if you have super sensitive skin, it might feel a little intense, so do a patch test before diving in. Moving on to the Facial Radiance Pads. These daily treatment pads contain lactic and glycolic acids, designed to exfoliate, tone, and brighten your skin. I was really impressed by how gentle they were. They didn't leave my skin red or irritated, which can sometimes happen with acid-based exfoliants. Over time, I noticed my skin looked a bit brighter and felt more even-toned. The only downside here is that you only get 28 pads, so if you're using them daily, the pack might not last as long as you'd like. The Ultra Repair Cream is a thick, fast-absorbing moisturizer that promises to tackle dry, distressed skin. It's especially great for anyone battling eczema or irritated patches. I've been using it on my face and body, and I have to say it's definitely a heavy-duty hydrator. It sinks in quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which is a huge plus for me. If you're looking for something to really replenish your skin's moisture barrier, this is a standout product. My only caution would be that it may be too rich for those with oily skin, as it could potentially feel heavy. Finally, we have the Pure Skin Face Cleanser, which is sulfate-free and fragrance-free, making it a gentle option for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It did a solid job removing makeup and dirt without leaving my skin feeling stripped. It's not a super lathering cleanser, but it does the job effectively and keeps your skin feeling soft and hydrated. So let's break it down with the pros and cons. The strengths of this kit include a fantastic blend of hydration and exfoliation, ideal for addressing dryness and rough patches. The cleanser is gentle and the Ultra Repair Cream is great for restoring moisture. However, the KP Bump Eraser Scrub might be a bit too intense for some, and the Facial Radiance Pads are good, but they may not last long enough if you use them daily. Is this kit worth the price? At $90, you're paying for quality ingredients and effective formulations, but it really depends on what you're looking for. If you want a complete skincare routine for dry and bumpy skin, this kit is a good investment. However, if you're just looking for a single exfoliant or moisturizer, you might find better value in separate, more affordable products. In terms of alternatives, there are plenty of exfoliating scrubs and moisturizers out there at a lower price point, though none may have the exact combination of ingredients and benefits this kit offers. If you're on a budget, you might want to check out other brands' glycolic acid-based exfoliators or a lighter moisturizer. The First Aid Beauty Hydrated Glow Kit is built well, with each product having a thoughtful formulation aimed at delivering hydration and smoother skin. If you're someone who struggles with rough skin, dryness, or eczema, this could be a perfect addition to your skincare routine. Just be mindful of the richness of the cream if you have oily skin, and make sure to patch test the scrub if you have sensitive skin. To wrap it up, if you're ready to give your skin the ultimate hydration and exfoliation treatment, I'd recommend trying this kit. It offers a solid skincare routine with quality ingredients, perfect for tackling those winter skin issues. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit that bell icon for more skincare reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this kit or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Goodbye till next time, and remember to always stay glowing, because at Beautyistic, beauty is more than just skin deep.